AI pets could replace dogs. Cats expert warns long-term effects unknown. AI-powered robotic companions can offer benefits but also pose risks, said expert Harvey Castro. Artificial intelligence could soon start replacing household pets, no vet bills required. As various types of robots continue to hit the market, AI-powered animals have arrived on the scene as well. One example is Go One, the world's first intelligent quadruped robot companion that is developed by China's Unitree Robotics. The robotic sidekick walks on all fours, much like a dog, but there's no need for a collar or a leash. Go One's walking movements involve stability control, gait generation, motion control, navigation and obstacle avoidance, as well as learning and adaptation through AI, Unitree Robotics said in an email to Fox News Digital. Go One can follow the speed of its owner, whether the owner is traveling on a bike, on a skateboard or on foot, at up to 10 miles per hour, according to the company. The robotic pet has a super-sensing system that includes several fisheye binocular sensors and human recognition capabilities. These enable it to follow its owner's lateral peripheral vision. The company describes the robot's power joint design as ultra-lightweight and low noise. Go One's total weight is about 26 pounds, and it can hold loads of up to 11 pounds, the company also says. Another robotic option for people who prefer smaller pets, Living AI in China has developed EMO, a tiny AI-powered desktop pet. The nearly 5-inch tall robot is described as a mobile, expressive pet that can react to its owner with more than 1,000 facial expressions and movements. According to the website, using AI tech, the robot explores its surroundings, makes decisions on its own and interacts with its human. Similar to a real pet, EMO evolves over time, in this case, through advanced internal sensors and AI processing models that give the little robot the ability to learn, communicate and bond, according to the Living AI website. AI pets cannot replicate the complex and rich experience of caring for a real animal. EMO also can be programmed to turn on lights, set alarm clocks and celebrate special events such as birthdays and holidays, the company says. Pros and cons. Dr. Harvey Castro, a Dallas, Texas-based board-certified emergency medicine physician and national speaker on AI in healthcare, weighed the pros and cons of the emergence of AI pets in a conversation with Fox News Digital. While robotic pets offer continuous companionship, low maintenance, elimination of allergy exposure and even mental health support, AI companionship can also be limiting, Castro said. AI pets cannot replicate the complex and rich experience of caring for a real animal, said Castro. Unlike real pets. He added, AI pets don't encourage owners to engage in physical activity, like walking or playing. Castro also mentioned the potential risks related to data privacy and dependency on AI pets for companionship, which could lead to the neglect of real-life relationships, he said. The long-term psychological and emotional effects of having AI pets, especially on children, are yet to be fully understood, Castro said. The robotic pets present a unique, beneficial alternative for companionship and can play a role in improving mental health, he added. However, they should be seen as a partial replacement for real pets, Castro said. As AI technology advances, we must continuously evaluate the benefits and risks associated with AI pets.